are here today for an episode of You Make It, We Skate It. We are going to open this box, but before, we will over the beam.
Over the power lines?
I don't want to risk it. All right. Oh, it has grip tape on it. All right, this says for Gabe. Oh! I'm not even gonna read it.
Why?
It probably tells you to drop in on vert, doesn't it?
No. It says, hello Braille team, my kids love watching your stuff and they are really excited to come up with their very own You Make It, We Skate It. They each enjoy skateboarding at our local parks or in my baby vert ramp in my shed. Damn, you got a mini vert ramp? We'll drop in count there. I may not be the #1 skater in the world, but I love teaching them to skate and getting people into skating or dirt biking. Whenever we go to a skate park, we always bring an extra board or two so that someone new can try it out and get excited just like we are. Thanks for skating our board. We hope you have an excellent time. Hey. Jeremy, I like you. Thank you for entertaining our kids and providing a positive channel and environment where my kids can learn, grow, and stay active from the Grams. P.S. Please make sure Gabe gets his note. And if you want to see the kids helping my wife and I make the board, check out this link, which is right there. And this, I'll show, because he mentioned it in the note, he gave me a whole list of breakfast puns.
Come on.
Come on, look, this board is excellent. What's cooking, Uzi? Ricky, I'm baking you. Please drop in on this. These tricks are sizzling. It'll take a lot of skillet to skate this board. Oh, hold up. Hey, Mowgli, wanna hear a yoke? This board is extravagant.
I think we can take the grip off if you want to go for the plan.
Yeah. We know this is a frying pan skateboard, so what we have to do on it before we even skate it is cook something on it. So what we have here is our trusty little barbecue. So what we're gonna do is get this barbecue up to heat, put the frying pan right on top. We got some eggs in the fridge. I don't know who they belong to, but whoever they do belong to, I owe you an egg. Then we're gonna cook an egg, and then, Ricky, you're gonna try to eat the egg?
Debatable? Maybe.
It is lunch.
And then we will actually do some tricks on the board and set it up. But I really do think that this is, we're gonna be able to do some tricks on this. But let me get this fire started.
It's a good pan.
Whoa! Oh, there we go. All right, there you go, Ricky. Go for it.
Very nice.
Whoa! Oh my gosh! We're training you for camping 2.0.
Camping 2.0. You don't need to train me, you gotta train Glow.
In the morning, I put a little stove top. One.
You're just gonna cook it. You're gonna fry it on?
Oh, the hole. The egg is leaving.
I don't understand why.
Hold up.
Do you think there's too much oxygen coming in from the bottom?
No. Why?
What are you hoping to achieve here, Dan?
Now you get that and put it on top.
Bro, what the Just put it on top. It's on fire now. No.
Yeah, it's gonna go out as soon as you put it on there.
No, I can't grab it. It's gonna be hot as hell.
Oh my god. Put it on like that. Bro, just put it on. It's going out, bro. Quick, cook the egg, quick. You gotta hold it above it. Hold it above it. Yeah, there you go. That's the technique.
What are we doing? This is insane.
Oh, it's out.
Hey, look at it go. That is 100% a thin film of egg that was over the non-stick surface. You did good job cooking, Gabe. Thank you, Dan. Pretty proud of it.
I would say this is a success.
Yeah, you could describe it as that.
You know what other way I'd describe it, Rick?
What?
Delicious.
Yeah? Take a bite.
You can take a bite.
You just said it was delicious. You gotta eat it.
But I like scrambled eggs. I don't like sunny side up eggs like this.
Oh. So, you saw Gabriel Cruz cook the beautiful egg.
Look at that. Cleanliness, non-stick.
I mean, but we got the grip tape on. Is it still non-stick?
Well, you will see.
This is a monster flipper, I think.
You think so?
Yeah. Ooh. Look at that, easy. Take a second to adjust.
Wow. Riding on this is like walking on eggshells.
It actually is.
Whoa! That was a good one.
Egg slide.
Wow. Even though you didn't land it, you can still look on the sunny side up.
Exactly.
Dang, I'm surprised that doesn't crack.
They should make all skateboards out of this.
I can't believe he's just doing that, like casually board sliding the whole rail on a frying pan.
It's Ricky.
I mean, I know. It's just, it's still, it's crazy.
That's just a brick team.
Oh! Keep it going!
I'm in a comp right now.
What the heck?
That kickflip
Ricky,
was-
that was literally one of the best kickflips I've ever seen you do.
Ready for a kickflip, not
Can we just appreciate that he's skating in Crocs too?
because I thought it was gonna be all greasy.
Insane.
That was legendary.
Hey, early grab. I don't think it's gonna work like that, buddy.
They picked a good pen.
Monster flip, Uzi?
Heck no.
Heck no, what do you mean? This is the most monster flippable board I've ever seen.
Maybe.
Wow. Oh. Yeah, Mo. Mowgli, would you say that skating this board is fried?
I don't know. It was looking at me and then just begging to be skated.
Begging to be skated. Begging? Begging?
Eggs banging. What?
Whoa. Rick, whoa. Mo speed. Mo speed. Hey, you know, he wanted to fry the egg, but the pan was not to temperature.
Is that a pun?
No, I was just saying. He wasn't cooking enough. Woo! What are you running into, Mo?
It needs to be hotter.
Needs to be hotter?
Yeah.
You're right.
How does it go? Well done, scrambled, that's it?
Well done is for steaks.
Oh, then what's an egg? Medium rare?
Hey, Dan, what are the types of eggs you order at a breakfast restaurant? You have scrambled?
Does turkey have an egg?
already
Scrambled. If you
said
don't say it's
scrambled.
scrambled, you're
There's
wrong.
more than two.
Side up. If you eat hard-boiled eggs.
Whoa! Oh my gosh, that was good. Uzi, hit a monster flip, bro. Hit the monster.
Ow!
ABD. Dude, honestly, I feel like tray flip's possible.
Yeah, I think so.
Wow, Dan. Wow.
Land on the tail on everything.
Incredible.
All right, here we go. The moment of truth.
You going three flip?
Prohibidado.
Oh!
900 flip?
If you come out here with more hot water, Mo, I swear, I'm done with you.
You mean it's cold out
I'm
here?
done with you. Just make some coffee. All right, Rick, get in this tray flip off right now.
This one I'm not vibing with.
You literally just did a perfect three shove on
I
it.
can't kickflip. Do you remember the last board that broke your soul? Yeah, the beetle board. No, it wasn't beetle board.
It was the egg board. And the whole entire video, we were just making egg puns at you. And you were going so crazy. You were literally like, if I hear one more egg pun, I'm gonna kill you. Like, you were going crazy.
Oh man, that is why.
Dude. I don't know, Dan. Like, I think it's just exciting.
Oh, I got it. I
Dude,
got it now.
are you about to keep burial flips alive?
No. All I remember is his blood got hard boiled.
Dude. Oh!
Ever since you figured out that the egg was my weakness,
It's in your head now.
now I got it.
It's in you're hard boiled.
Ow!
You know, I think, Dan, your mortal enemy in life is Humpty Dumpty. Dude, that looks so good, Dan. Begging you land this. Oh, I'm gonna call a redo on that though. I'm gonna call a redo on that. Hey, but to even be able to do this though on a frying pan skateboard, you're looking yoked, Dan.
You must be fried.
Oh my God!
Got it. I'm gonna try to get it with the front foot and everything.
Oh my God!
Is that good?
Oh, that was insane. Dude, I'm stoked for you. I'm really glad that panned out.
I'm excited.
All right, monster flip.
Monster flip? Yeah, let's get it. No! Dan!
It's just the nose, bro.
What are you doing?
I mean, that might help me now. But now, that's how it previously was. And now, it's even higher. Even better. Like the trade flip? We discussed Uzi versus Eggboard previously, and he tried to do a monster flip. He was unsuccessful. Uzi and I both do a lot of different monster flips, so I feel like I've got the redemption arc coming. Let's try to do it right here.
How you feel about that, Uzi?
Good. I hope he lands it.
Dude!
That is it for the frying pan board. Thank you so much for sending it in, and if you have a You Make It, We Skate It that you want to send to us, you can hit us up on this email right down here. That's gonna be it. Bye-bye.